When it comes to cooking, the right tools can make all the difference. This Aufranc 2-quart Tri-Ply stainless steel saucepan with glass lid is a cookware essential for anyone seeking top-tier performance, durability, and style. From its superior heat conduction to its non-toxic materials, this saucepan delivers exceptional quality for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore why this saucepan stands out in the crowded kitchenware market. Unmatched build quality and materials. The Aufranc saucepan is crafted with premium 1810 stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to scratches, rust, and corrosion. Its tri-ply construction combines an aluminum core between two stainless steel layers for fast, even heating. This feature eliminates hot spots, making it perfect for delicate sauces or simmering soups. Unlike non-stick pans, this saucepan is PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium-free, offering a non-toxic and eco-friendly option that retains the natural flavors of your food. It's a healthier choice for you and your family, providing peace of mind with every meal you prepare. Versatile compatibility for all cooktops. One of the standout features of this saucepan is its wide compatibility. Whether you're using induction, gas, halogen, or electric stoves, the tri-ply structure ensures optimal heat distribution across all cooktops. It's also oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, with the glass lid safe to 210 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, allowing you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven. This versatility makes it a must-have for modern kitchens, accommodating various cooking styles and techniques. Design that marries functionality with elegance. The polished stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, while the glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without losing heat or moisture. The Stay Cool handle provides a secure grip, even during high-temperature cooking, ensuring safety and convenience. The 2-quart capacity is ideal for small families or individual servings, making it perfect for cooking sauces, gravies, soups, and more. Its compact size also ensures easy storage, fitting seamlessly into your kitchen setup. Practical features for everyday cooking. Effortless cleaning. This saucepan is dishwasher-safe, saving time and effort on cleanup. Even heating. The tri-ply structure ensures consistent results, preventing overcooking or burning. Eco-friendly. Its non-toxic materials ensure a healthier cooking experience, free of harmful chemicals. Why choose Aufranc? Aufranc prides itself on delivering high-quality products at competitive prices. By sourcing directly from factories, the brand eliminates middlemen, ensuring premium cookware without the hefty price tag. This commitment to value and quality makes Aufranc a trusted name in the kitchenware industry. Customer feedback. Users rave about the saucepan's performance and build quality. Many highlight its even heat distribution, making it ideal for delicate recipes. Others praise its elegant design, which seamlessly combines style with practicality. Perfect for gifting. The boxed packaging makes this saucepan an excellent gift option for weddings, housewarmings, or culinary enthusiasts. Its premium design and functionality will impress anyone who loves cooking. Conclusion: a must-have for every kitchen. The Aufranc 2-quart Tri-Ply stainless steel saucepan with glass lid is a versatile, durable, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its non-toxic materials, tri-ply construction, and compatibility with all cooktops make it a top choice for home chefs. Whether you're simmering soups, making sauces, or trying your hand at more advanced recipes, this saucepan will deliver exceptional results every time. Its elegant design, coupled with practical features, ensures it's more than just cookware. It's a kitchen essential that elevates your culinary experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.